President Emmerson Mnangagwa has officially signed the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 3 Bill into law, leading to its subsequent gazetting radically changing the country's political, electoral, and governance landscape. Zanabda Mashko branches Mnangagwa signs Cap 3 into law, radically reshaping Zimbabwe's volatile political landscape. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna Mnamo Blanyu Kamshensi. The sweeping legislative changes immediately take operation as part of the country's supreme law. The enactment of the Cap 3 represents a significant alteration of Zimbabwe's political, electoral, and governance framework, introducing two monumental changes. The legislation extends President Emmerson Mnangagwa's tenure by 2 years, and both presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years. This effectively shifts the timeline of the next presidential election, allowing Mnangagwa to extend his rule from 2028 until 2030. Future presidents or heads of state will no longer be elected by a direct vote of the electorate, but through parliament. Supporters of the amendment assert that the extended terms will eliminate perpetual election mode toxicity, reduce frequent election-driven disruptions, and provide political stability and continuity necessary to finish long-term national development programs. Conversely, critics argue the move rolls back democratic gains made under the 2013 Constitution, disenfranchises the electorate by removing their direct vote, and serves as an undemocratic measure to entrench the incumbent in power. The enactment and gazetting of the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 3 Act radically alters and rewrites the rules of engagement of Zimbabwe's political landscape, while the administration frames the changes as vital for stability and policy consistency. Critics say the closes off traditional democratic avenues for leadership transition. As the dust settles over the contentious constitutional amendment, the nation's political trajectory will now undoubtedly be defined by how the electorate, opposition, and judiciary navigate this new constitutional reality. Toma developments arabula pangwa ine. Na comment section mendes of any more believe I'm subscribe or like what you want to talk about.